Hey everyone, I'm Kennidi Monroe and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today welcome to Makeup Mondays, and today we're going to do a look from One Size Beauty. I've done a few looks from One Size Beauty, but this particular look I did on TikTok and people loved it. So I thought, why don't I put this full look together on a YouTube how-to tutorial Makeup Mondays, because I am a fan of Patrick Starr's One Size Beauty. Now I have almost the whole line. I don't have everything, but I have pretty much everything up till recently, which they have a some eye stuff to go underneath your makeup. That's the only thing I don't have, the primers. So this is Patrick Starr's Visionary palette. As you can see, I've used it. But we're going to do this, okay? We're going to do this. So Patrick Starr's One Size Beauty, you can get it at Sephora or One Size Beauty. So we're going to be using Poppers, which is from One Size Beauty too, which is going to be, it's like a liquid eyeshadow. And I'm going to show you how to use it. So stay tuned right here on my YouTube channel for Makeup Mondays. Welcome back. So now we're going to use the palette and we're going to go in with, first of all, we're going to start off with Booked. Booked is like a light orangey brown. So I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with going up above my crease, my natural crease. And I'm going to go up right up to where see how that is? Just go up in there. Isn't that a pretty color? So I'm going to go on the other side. So I'm bringing the butter out past my nose, my eyebrow. So see, there we go. Fabulous. Now I'm going to go in with this Manila Sands right here. Put some Manila Sands on my lid. Now this Manila Sands is going to be a base. It's going to be a base for the popper. If you watch my YouTube channels and you see my left hand shake, it's because I have nerve damage from when I broke my arm at the age of 9. So now I'm going in with my popper. Everything and more. Everything and more. Look at that. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Such a shiny, beautiful color. Now I'm going to do the other side. Okay, now we're going to go in with Brownie. Right here, Brownie. Oops. And I'm going at the top of my crease. Now I'm going to go lovely. See all the dust on my cheeks? It's a good thing I don't have foundation on right now. I do my eyes before my foundation. Because of that. Go in with Manila Sands again. I'm just going to go above. Cut it through. Look at that. Now we're going to go in with Turban Legend, which is the black. I don't want a lot. I just want it. Now we're going to go on One Size Beauty Point Made right here. Point Made Liquid 24-Hour Eyeliner. Okay? Y'all say I always make this look easy. I'm telling you, it is There we go. There we go. Okay, now we're going to go in with One Size blurring powder. Everybody keeps asking me about this. It's like wearing a filter. I'm serious. Watch. What I like about this, so now I'm going to use One Size Beauty's Come Through lashes. I love these lashes. They're reusable. I reuse them. It's like my third or fourth time using them. So I'm going to set the lash. So my real eyelashes blend into the eyelashes. Two. So here is the whole final look. What do you think? Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day. And make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. And tell your friends about me. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Bye.